Professional cleaners prevent cross-contamination by isolating used toilet brushes immediately after each job. When a cleaner finishes with a toilet brush, they rinse it with hot water and apply an appropriate disinfectant that has contact time per the product label. Then they allow excess liquid to drip back into the toilet bowl before handling it further. Next, they place the wet brush inside a sealable plastic bag, expel most of the air, and close the bag securely to contain aerosols and odors. Using a heavy-duty bag reduces punctures and tears. The bagged brush goes into a dedicated compartment of the cleaning caddy that is separate from clean supplies and has a washable lining or rigid removable tray, so wet or contaminated items never touch uniforms or other tools. For transport between job sites, we store the caddy in the trunk or a ventilated area of the vehicle away from client materials and food, and we schedule pickups so soiled tools are returned to the facility for full decontamination as soon as practical. At the facility, the brush is removed using gloves, the bag is discarded into a lined waste container, and the brush and holder are soaked in a detergent solution, scrubbed if needed, then immersed in an EPA-registered or equivalent disinfectant for the required contact time before air drying completely. Finally, the brush is inspected for wear and replaced when bristles lose integrity or the handle corrodes, so the tool remains sanitary and effective. Common mistakes include carrying a wet brush loose in the caddy, which spreads moisture and microbes. Keep brushes sealed in bags and in an isolated compartment until properly cleaned. Another issue is inadequate contact time with disinfectant. Always follow the product label and allow the full contact time rather than wiping off early. A third problem is reusing a brush past its useful life, which reduces cleaning effectiveness and increases contamination risk. Replace brushes on a regular schedule or when you see bristle deformation or handle damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs and includes a discussion community where people share real experiences and practical tips about sanitation and tool handling. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work while providing a place for practical conversations about best practices.